What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I need to stay on the side because the natural lighting is fine for my phone. I'm gonna try to show you how to make a 90-second keto bread. We're gonna be using almond flour to make this bread. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna keep it very simple. So I'm going to use this to mix up all my ingredients. So here I have is 3 tablespoons of almond. Here I have 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna use 1 egg. I'm gonna use vanilla extract, and I think I'm gonna add some salt as well. So this is basically what I'm gonna be doing here. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my almond flour here. Okay. Then now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This is olive oil. So I'm gonna have my tablespoon of olive oil in there, and then I'm going to put 1 whole egg. I'm gonna put my egg. I'm gonna put the baking powder, half of the tablespoon, and then I will use some vanilla extract to get the taste of the egg out. Okay, that's it. So I'm just gonna mix it, and please don't forget to add some salt. I'm just gonna put a little bit. It's sea salt. Mix everything. You don't need anything, so you can just keep it simple. You might actually try to, if you have some bacon, I think it makes it nice and very keto. Just some small slices of bacon, and then I'll mix it again. Just trying to mix it well. Okay, so everything is mixed. So now we can do our baking. So now we're gonna put it in the microwave. I'm gonna have it on 19 seconds. Okay, this is basically how our keto bread looks like. We're gonna have it this way. We can try to slice it. Can try to slice it. It looks like the real thing. Very spongy. It's very hot at the moment. Okay guys, this was how you make this 90-second keto bread. So guys, if you like to see similar content, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video.